Hello class and welcome to my blog.
Hey bitches.
Here is my title, as you can see, Miss Melgar's blog. And this is basically a fun way to keep all the ideas and things I can use for future teaching. Now right here you can see my blog archive, and it is organized by date. And so here you can see my first blog post, "Does texting make us bad writers?" On this side I have my favorites. So it has the ISTE standards for students and educators, and it also has the UIW Blackboard link. Here you can find my About Me, my name Jaylene Melgar, and that this is a student blog from Texas that features educational links and activities to refer back to. Now the next thing in quote is actually my favorite quote, which is the golden rule: treat others how you want to be treated. And right here, if you click here, you can see my complete profile, which features my picture. It shows when and since when I have been on Blogger. It shows my profile views, which has been 6, and it has my About Me, so my introduction, student blog from Texas that features educational links and activities to refer back to, and it also has my favorite music. Now that is all of my blog. If you have any questions, you can refer back to me or to my email. Thank you.